Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about the fraction. About the fraction, when you say fraction, in our everyday life we divide. For example, when I have this is orange, when this orange divided into two parts, I will say that, and when I give one part to a student, I will say that one student have one part from 2. It means that is 1/2. And if I have, for example, this is a pizza and I have a four student, when I wanted to divide to divide this pizza to both sides with equal part, I will divide also into 4 parts. One student will get 1/4. It means that two students will have 2/4. That is a fraction. Okay, fraction is very important and is used in our everyday life. Now we are going to start about addition, subtraction with same and the different denominator. First of all, fraction, you have to know that shows a part of a word or a set. It has two main parts. Numerator is on top, and also denominator on the bottom. And this bar between numerator that separate numerator and the denominator is called the fraction bar. Okay, let us continue. Starting with addition of fraction, let's use this example. We have 2/5 plus 1/5 is equal to what? What does this mean? It means that, for example, we have this part is divided 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, and 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have things which is divided into 5 parts. Then we have a 2/5. Means that we shade the 2 part. This one is represented with a 2/5. Plus, we have also, we are going to add you have 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to add 1/5. When we combine those shaded parts together, it will be equal to 1, 2. Means that 1, 2 for the first part, okay, plus this 1/5. It means that we will add the 1/5. Here, this is the answer, will be equal to 3/5. It means that when we add fractions, we care on, first of all, we have to check whether we have the same denominator. If the denominator are the same, for denominator, if are the same, it means that we will also consider about the numerator. And then for numerator, we will have the same denominator, means that you have a 5, and they added together numerator, means that 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3/5. This is the first example about the addition or subtraction, but with the same denominator. Let us use when denominator are different. For example, we have 3/4 plus 1/2. As you see, denominator are different. When you have the different denominator, what we do, we find common denominator. To find the common denominator, we take this 4 times 2, which will be equal to 8. Means that 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then after doing this, we will take a common denominator, divide with first denominator, and then the answer that you will get, you will multiply together with the first numerator. Here you will multiply. Okay, and then you will take 8 divided by 3 divided by 4, and then also the answer will be multiplied by 3 for the first. Okay, for the second, we will take this divided by this one, and also times this one, plus 8 divided by 2 times 1. This is what we will do. It means that it will be equal to, here we have 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 times 3 is equal to 6, plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, and 4 times 1 is equal to also equal 4. Then the answer will be equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 10 over 8. This is the answer. Then let us continue with the subtraction of fraction. For subtraction of fraction, for example, let us use 6 over 8 minus 3 over 8. Here is with the same denominator. We have means that we have the same denominator. We write one denominator because the denominator is the same, and subtract the numerator. 6 minus 3. The answer will be equal to 3 over 8. This is the answer for the same denominator. For different denominator, let us use this example. We have 9 divided by 10 minus 5 divided by 6. To get the answer, the same as we did from addition of fraction, because the denominator are different, we have to find the common denominator. Common denominator will be equal to 10 times 6. 10 times 6 is equal to 60. And then 60 divided by 10. 60, when you take 60, then divided by 10, you will get 6. And 6 times 9 is equal to 50. Is equal to 54. 54. Then minus 60 divided by 6. 60 divided by 60 is equal to 10. And then 10 times 5 is equal to 50. The answer will be equal to, you will take 54 plus 50, which will be equal to 104. 104 over 60. And then this is the answer. And you can simplify when you have been asked to do that. Here is the subtraction for subtraction of fraction with the different denominator. Thank you for watching this video, and I would like to ask you to subscribe to get the new very important videos about mathematics. Thank you. Like and share. Math is Rwanda. I love you too.